In this video, let us discuss about a problem on stochastic processes. So here we are asked to find the transition probability matrix for the given problem. We are given the conditions that when a particle moves from r to r plus 1, the probability is p, and the particle moves from r to r minus 1 with the probability q under the condition p plus q is equal to 1. If they are at 0 and 4, the probability is 1. So by using these conditions, we can write down the transition probabilities. If the particle moves r to r plus 1, the probability is p. So we have the transition probability of xn equal to r plus 1 given xn minus 1 equal to r is p, and similarly probability of xn equal to r minus 1 given xn minus 1 equal to r is q. When the particle is from 0 to 0, the probability is 1, and similarly if it is at 4 to 4, the probability is 1. By using these 4 transition probabilities, we can form the transition matrix. It is clear that there are 5 states from 0 to 4. So we can write the states 0, 1, 2, 3 as row and column states. Here 0 to 0, it is 1, the probability is given that 1, so we can write 1 here. Next, we know that in transition probability matrix, row sum is 1. Here we have got the entry 1, so the remaining entries will be 0. And next, the particle is from 1 to 0. There is a one step backward move, so the probability is q. Next 1 to 1, it is not defined, the probability is 0. Next 1 to 2, one step forward move, the probability is p. And then next 1 to 3, the probability is not defined, so the entry is 0. And similarly 1 to 4, the probability is not given, not defined, so we can put 0 in that place. And for the next row 2 to 0, the probability is not defined, so we have 0 here. Next 2 to 1, one step backward move, the probability is q. And 2 to 2 is not defined, so we have 0. 2 to 3, one step forward move, so probability is p. 2 to 4 is not defined, so we have 0 entry. And for the next row 3 to 0, 3 to 0 is not defined, so probability is 0. 3 to 1 is also not defined, so we have 0 in that place also. Next 3 to 2, one step backward move, probability is q. Next 3 to 3 is not defined, so we have 0 entry. Next 3 to 4, one step forward move, the probability is p. And for the next row, the probability from 4 to 4 is 1. We know that row entry should be 1, row sum should be 1, so the other entries will be 0. Like this we can form the transition probability matrix for the given problem.